Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to respond on WhatsApp group event. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp has always been at the forefront of providing seamless communication solution, and its latest update is no exception. The popular messaging platform is rolling out a new feature that extends the create event functionality previously exclusive to community chats to regular group chat. This enhancement permits to streamline event planning and coordinating among users. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create and how to edit event on WhatsApp group. And now in this video, I will show you how to respond to the event, if you want to join to the event or not. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. You can open your group. And you can see here's the event. You can respond by, you can see there is an option respond on the event. You can just tap on the respond and you can choose if you're going to the event or not. If you're going, you can tap on going, and anyone on the group will get notified that you join going to the event or not. And maybe if you want to change, maybe you change your mind, you want to going, you can tap on not going. So that is how to respond on WhatsApp group event. It's so simple, right? So that is how to respond on WhatsApp group event on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.